I.
Awesome.
Oh.
Yeah, it's good. Awesome. Oh, God. Yes! Yes! Better at night. Strobe light. Why not? Yes. Clean your VCR. Love it. Purple smoke. It's inside, I can see inside. Wow. Oh! That's how you. Yes. Let's keep going.
Fire! I remember it was on fire for a second. Oh! The screen cracked! Guys! It went into the room that has the screen.
Like in the screen. One that smells bad. Towards the innards.
Let's
Melting
look for it.
plastic.
Whoa, look inside the back.
I think it's on fire. Yeah, there's actually a flame in there. Probably should put that out just because it's burning up our stuff. It stinks bad.
How do you want to put it out?
Yeah.